Hello and welcome back to UILBytes. In this particular problem, we're going to do the hollow box pattern, which is very similar to the box pattern, with one main difference. We still have a similar data file, but in this case, the output is going to be a hollow box with stars only on the outside rows and columns. So to get started, we're going to go ahead and load our previous box pattern and just go from there. And so if you remember, this one created a solid box pattern in which you have several rows and columns, but they're all filled in. And in this particular case, we're going to go ahead and resave this as box 2. That way we don't have to recreate everything. And we're going to use the box 2 data file. So we'll just change this to box 2. And it'll still work, but it's still, oh, we need to also change this to box 2. That's got to be changed as well. So now we run it, but this time it's using the data that we've given here, 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. So we still have to make one adjustment. We need to prevent the stars inside of the box from being printed out. And so to do that, we're going to need to do an if statement here, an if else statement actually. So if something is true, we're going to print a star, else we're going to just simply print an empty space. And the if statement is going to be based on where the row and the column is. And it's very simple. If r is equal to 0, if the row is 0, or the column is equal to 0, if it's column 0, that'll take care of the top row and the left side column. Or if the row is equal to the last row, but we have to say -1 because it's 0 indexed, or C is equal to the last column, again -1. And so what will happen here is anytime it's on the first row or the first column or the last row or the last column, it will print a star. Otherwise, it will just print a blank space. And so we run this, and lo and behold, we have our hollow box pattern, which is exactly what we wanted. Okay, good luck.